Hey, what's up, you guys? So me and my brother are doing a late night vlog, hitting up the driving range, gonna have some fun. What's really cool about this driving range is it's actually a 2-decker driving range. Pretty sweet. Let's show you guys. Underground park, the first story park, coming down this way. The driving range. My back was a little stiff, to be honest. My lower back. What do you think yours was?
It's fine.
He said his was fine. Not too bad, but it feels good just to get some exercise. One of the few things you can do is go to the driving range or even play some golf during COVID. So, anyways, made for a fun night. Always fun to get out here and hit the clubs. All right, we'll see you in the next episode. Together, travel and go great.